Got the baddest bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now. Let my bitch off the purse, she get 100 rounds. 100 rounds, hold me down.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing another hair install video, and maybe I could talk a little bit in this video. I'm not gonna be doing too much. I've already prepped my face. I'm not wearing no makeup today, y'all. All I did was my brows, put some lash on and some lip gloss, and that's about it. So as I mentioned before, we're working with RoyalMe hair, and I just put some slight layers in it. For some reason, when I get hair that's shorter in length, I don't like to just keep it short and straight. I like to add layers so I can, judge, have some fun with it, give it some character, or give it some whatever the word is I'm looking for. I didn't know the word I was looking for a quick second. So I think I want to make this wig glueless, and if I don't, I think I'm gonna put a very thin layer of glue. I'm really sitting here debating because I'm really trying to give my edges a break, because I'm really trying to have my hair get a bit thicker, and it's just, for some reason, my hair just grows longer, but it's just not as thick as I want it to be, which is why you never really see me wear my hair out, because I'm just like, I need it to be thicker so it can make sense, because I'm not with the feather. It's just not. So I'm waiting for my hair to get thicker, and I think I'm putting a little bit too much like strain on my edges, so I am trying to be very careful, y'all. I don't know, but anyway, so let's get started. So first, I put my oils on. I think I might do that. Should I? Now I don't think I'm gonna put my hair oils in, because I don't think I'm gonna be wearing this unit for this long. But what I am gonna do first, you see my edges right here, it's like, well, my hair is braided too, so a lot of my hair is braided into the braids, so it may look a little sparse or whatever, but still very much there. I'm gonna just take this and put it on my edges so I can slick them back. And this also does act as like a barrier, I guess, if you want to say. And I actually like using this. This is Edge Booster. I usually use the other one, and I like Edge Booster because it's really thick and it actually lays my edges. Alright y'all, so please excuse the fake dog season going on over here in my braids. I'm not gonna say they time to come out because y'all know how I am, and y'all know I keep my braids in for an extensive period of time. But luckily I won't be that far from my cousin who braids my hair, so I might be getting my hair braided more often, and I could do a better video for y'all on how she braids my hair. And I actually did do a video. I'm gonna be posting a vlog for Vlogmas of all the vlogs that I never finished. I asked y'all to do I did a poll on Instagram, and y'all was like, y'all voted yes. I'm like, let me just do it. It's so much stuff that y'all gonna see, and it's like, girl, why did you never finish this? I'm just not used to doing vlogs, and I start and then it gets dark and then I get discouraged, and I'm just like, I'm not gonna do this. I like to do my, I like to film my videos when it's lighter outside. I feel like I could get better light and stuff. Y'all know, y'all understand. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna be uploading something like that. So, and by the way, like I was saying, I'm gonna be doing an in-depth video again on how she braided my hair and the whole full process, and y'all just gonna go through a whole hair growth journey with me. And that's not gonna be, obviously I can't grow my hair but so long but so thick during Vlogmas, but you know, I do what I can. All right, so we got the cap on. I'm gonna definitely make sure that we get into a hair growth journey, and maybe y'all could even do it with me. And I'm trying to like really get heavy on this vlog and stuff and make sure I get real in depth, so maybe y'all could do a hair journey with me and our hair could grow together, and we could share like tips and what's working for us. I've heard so many different like regimens on how to grow your hair and get it thicker and stuff like that, so maybe we can help each other out. I know I just have to do my part with being consistent, so y'all could, you know, keep up, and we could all keep up with each other. So I just gotta withhold my end of the deal. I have a bad habit of starting things and not finishing them because I either got a better idea or I get tired of it fast or something, and that's actually not a good habit to have. So I'm working on it. So the inside of this wig is a T wig. So the inside of the wig looks like this, and this is called a T wig or a T parted wig, something like that, where the only parting space you're getting is straight down the middle, and there's a teeny bit on the sides. You really can't part it at all on the sides. Let me make sure y'all can really see that. You can't really part it at all on the sides. As you can see, you only get about 1 inch of free lace over here, so it's not much you can do there, and you can't part anywhere else but the middle. So it's actually meant for a middle part, which if you only wear middle parts, that's pretty good. If you don't really wear side parts, then that doesn't really apply to you. Okay, so oh my god, I really want to make this glueless. I really do. The only reason I don't like making it glueless sometimes is because when I make it glueless, whether I could just lift it straight up on the sides or use like Got To Be Freeze Spray just for a little bit more security, it makes my edges crunchy. And I don't have, oh, I do actually have, maybe I should use the Got To Be gel, but it takes forever to dry, and oh my god, I don't have the time. So maybe I just might apply a little bit of glue. I don't know. If y'all know any other good glueless methods that doesn't require Got To Be Freeze Spray, don't get me wrong, I know how to do the glueless method as far as when you construct the wig or have a full lace wig or more parting space, I should say, and you use your elastic band and keep it down. But the hairline on this wig, I feel like even if I was to have security here, I still have this little piece that will come up because there's nothing to pull, like have tension to like keep it down right here, if y'all can see that. So that's kind of what I'm worried about, but we're gonna figure it out like we always do. We're gonna get it together, y'all. We in this together. So a part of me is gonna play it safe. I am gonna apply one thin layer of glue, and I'm gonna cut it and just do whatever. I already pretty much styled it, so we don't have much styling to worry about. So yeah, let's just get into this one layer and get this lace off and do what we gotta do. Alright, so what I was trying to show y'all was, oh my god, I hate when this happens. I don't know what causes this to happen, but it's very annoying. Can y'all, like, I didn't squeeze the bottle that hard, but now I feel like I got glue wasted. I don't even know where to put it. I'm just gonna like put it to the side, let it dry. But what I was showing y'all was, when I'm cutting my lace, I like to cut right here, like an extra slit right here and right here, just so I could be very precise to get this little hairline shape right here, because I hate the straight across hairline. It looks real dumb to me, to be honest. So this makes it look a bit more realistic when you cut it in this type of shape. So that's really what I was trying to show y'all. I'm sitting here trying to debate if I want to add some baby hairs, but I just really don't know how I'm feeling. And it's like, I wish I could ask y'all, but y'all not gonna be able to see it till after, obviously. So I don't know, maybe I might add like maybe one, or like one. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of just don't want to add no baby hairs. And you don't have to, when you have a good hairline and your lace matches perfectly, you really don't have to do baby hairs. A lot of people do baby hairs just to like cover up their work because it be looking crazy, but we don't got to do that today. So I don't know, let me see how I'm feeling. I actually like this. I don't think all right, I'm gonna add, ooh, come on layers, let me come on, nice subtle layers, not too much, very realistic and playful, if I do say so myself. All right, so I think I'm gonna add just real light baby hairs. I really don't want nothing crazy. I honestly don't really want to add baby hairs, but something is telling me to do it, so I'm just gonna do it. So I'm gonna add a baby hair right here. See, I just feel like it's gonna I don't know, y'all. I think for once in my life, I'm actually not gonna add baby hairs, and this is definitely the way to do that. The hairline looks great, everything looks seamless, the glue laid it down good. We didn't put too much glue, but it's enough to get you through the day. And yeah, let me just make sure this lays flat. The only thing I don't like about it is where the T, I don't even know what to call it, but where it ends right down the middle, it has like this thick bulky like feel to where it won't let it lay like super flat right here, and that's kind of annoying me, but I guess nobody will notice if I don't say nothing, so I'm gonna just like leave it alone. But let me take this wax stick and just, you can never go wrong with a good wax stick. This is just my favorite one, but I know Edge Booster has one, and if I wasn't using Erica J's, I probably would be using Edge Booster unless I get my own. But I think I'm gonna leave it like this, leave the layers, keep it fun, bouncy, and just go on my day. I'm filming Vlogmas today, Vlogmas day 1. So wish me luck, y'all, because sometimes I don't be finishing, but I'm gonna make it my mission to get it right this time. I'm not even playing with y'all, I'm really serious. Like, I'm serious this time. So I don't know if y'all probably gonna see this after the Vlogmas video, but this is the look that's gonna be in the Vlogmas day 1 video. So if y'all see this before y'all see that, or see the Vlogmas before you see this look, then here's the hair details. Other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Very quick, very easy look. And let me tell you something. The good thing about RoyalMe hair is the fact that they pluck and bleach the hairline for you. So a lot of people have issues with plucking. A lot of people have issues with bleaching because they bleach it and don't tone it, or they over bleach it, which I have problems with sometimes too. Like, I'm not going to even try to say that, but this is like super easy to put on. I just wish I had more parting space, but if you're okay with just having a center part and like good edges and having it plucked on the sides and everything like that, then this is definitely the wig for you. This is so easy. Like, I can't. Y'all be telling me, oh, you be doing all this stuff and making it look so easy and it really be hard. This is not hard to install at all, so I really don't even want to hear it from y'all. Y'all can never go wrong with this. So all the hair details will be in the description box below. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Make sure y'all tune into my Vlogmas vlog for day 1 today. And I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Bye, loves.
Got a bitch in the city, so don't fuck around. Know them hoes is out to get me, they don't hold me down. Know me now, act like you don't know me now.